Welcome to ATS. In this quick guide, let's see how to activate your POA.
POA means power of attorney. It lets your broker debit your Demat account for trades, pledges, and IPOs automatically.
Step 1. Go to www.adityatrading.in and log in using your registered mobile number and OTP. Step 2 have. Once logged in, open your profile section and click on Activate POA/DDPI. Step 3. You'll now be redirected to the Digio platform. Enter the OTP sent to your mobile to continue. Step 4. Review the DDPI e-form carefully, then click on Sign Now.
Step 5. Next, you'll be taken to the NSDL Aadhaar verification page. Enter your Aadhaar number, verify with the OTP, and once the process is complete, you'll see a confirmation message comes and your POA/is now activated.
With your POA active, you can seamlessly sell stocks purchased on the ATS platform. Simple, secure, and hassle-free, only with ATS.